Vivo V30 Pro specifications. The Vivo V30 Pro is a sleek and lightweight smartphone running on Android V14. With a thickness of 7.5 mm and weighing 188 g, it offers a comfortable and portable design. One of its standout features is the In Display Fingerprint Sensor, providing convenient and secure access to the device. The Vivo V30 Pro features a stunning 6.7 8-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1260 x 2800 pixels, offering a high pixel density of 453 ppi for crisp and clear visuals. The display supports HDR10+ and reaches a peak brightness of 2800 nits, ensuring vibrant colors and excellent contrast. With a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and a responsive 300 Hz touch sampling rate, users can enjoy fluid interactions and seamless scrolling. The punch-hole display design maximizes the screen real estate, providing an immersive viewing experience. The Vivo V30 Pro is equipped with a powerful camera setup, featuring a triple rear camera system with three 50MP lenses, each with optical image stabilization, OIS, for sharp and steady shots. Users can capture high-quality 4K videos at 30 FPS with the rear camera. For stunning selfies and video calls, the device boasts a 50MP front camera. The main sensor is the Sony IMX920, known for its excellent image quality, while the portrait lens is the Sony IMX816, designed to capture detailed and artistic portrait shots. The Vivo V30 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, which includes a 3.1 GHz octa-core processor for smooth performance and efficient multitasking. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM, providing ample memory for running apps and games seamlessly. The device offers a generous 256 GB of internal storage for storing photos, videos, and apps. However, please note that the Vivo V30 Pro does not support memory card expansion. The Vivo V30 Pro supports 4G and 5G connectivity, allowing users to experience high-speed internet access and reliable voice over LTE, VoLTE services. It is equipped with Bluetooth V5, 3 and Wi-Fi capabilities for wireless data transfer and connectivity. The device features a USB-C V2, 0 port for charging and data transfer, offering a convenient and versatile connection option. The Vivo V30 Pro is powered by a robust 5000 mAh battery, providing long-lasting usage on a single charge. Additionally, the device supports 80W flash charge technology, allowing for fast and efficient charging to keep you connected throughout the day.